Hey guys, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is another report on the performance of the Intraday Soft Core Index, which consists of 11 trading bots. I've been running these bots since the beginning of January this year. As you can see, the index has already managed to grow quite a bit. And oh my God, how glad I am that I'm doing this and studying this topic, the topic of diversification, because the 11 trading bots really make up for it. They compensate for each other's failures. And when there are weeks where some trading bots go into a drawdown, at the same time, other trading bots make up for their results, thanks to their own profits. Thus, my index of 11 trading bots, their combined result, is expressed in this kind of growth curve. And as you can see, it continues to grow steadily. The past week was very difficult, especially at the end of the week when Donald Trump visited China. The market went wild. I don't know what was happening there, what macroeconomic news was coming out, what geopolitical statements were being made, but the market really started moving sharply, especially in dollar currency pairs and particularly in the British pound. But as you can see, the index grew a little over the past week. I am absolutely thrilled and happy about these recent developments, and I would like to invite you to replicate my successful trading results. You can do this easily by installing a variety of trading bots directly onto your own personal computer. By following this method, you will be able to achieve consistently good overall trading results in the long run. Of course, that's if the bots are reliable. Let's get back to the Intraday Soft Core Index. I've published another report on my blog. This report looks like this. We can see this index and a table showing how each trading bot in my portfolio performed. Let me remind you that there is also a mini index maintained on my website. Here, on my main index, there are 11 trading bots running, and by request of users, visitors to my website, and customers who follow my work, I created another mini index. The mini index includes these ones. Here are 5 expert advisors. And the mini index also grew over the past week. The mini index consists of 5 trading bots that I currently consider the best. So if you want, for your trading on your personal computer to look like this, with the growth curve rising every week, literally every week, get these 5 trading bots, especially since there is currently a promotion on my website. You can buy this package of expert advisors at a 50% discount. Okay, let's get back to the index, which includes 11 expert advisors. And let's look at the results and see how they performed over the past week. The past week was tough, and I thought the overall result would be negative, meaning I would end up with a total loss. But as it turned out, diversification worked once again, and the portfolio still grew. Some bots disappointed me, while others really pleased me. So, as for the worst result this week, it was the Jackal system, whose result looks like this right now, like this. The profit chart of this system dropped after some growth. And even though there are already some trades in the new week, some of them are in profit. Still, the final result for last week and for this month overall for May is negative. Another trading bot that showed a significantly disappointing performance is Scalping Station. It actually ended up having just about the same kind of disappointing results, which was quite unexpected for many users. Statistics. It is also currently in profit. I think this week it should pull the overall result for May up. Well, at least to break even or a small profit, but as you can see, right now we have a loss. So much for the unfortunate news. As for the good news, there was something that truly pleased me this week. It is the expert advisor known as Grabber, which has been trading in the 3-trade mode. The resulting profit chart for this period looks exactly like this. It has accumulated a small number of trades so far. Let me remind you, this advisor operates with 3 trades. He makes a maximum of 3 trades per asset on the account if necessary. So it's a kind of micro averaging And with the help of this micro averaging, he gradually, step by step, increases the capital in the trading account. Over the past week, it delivered 2%. That gave a good boost. The portfolio went up. Another trading bot that pleased me is the Scopoli bot. Now I'll show you its profitability chart. This is exactly what happens when you completely stop hoping altogether and give up. After something like this, after such a sharp drawdown, it already made a profit in May. 3%, and there are already open trades in the green. And I think based on the results of the month, it should show a good profit. And let's take another bot that has grown. That's Swingmaster. Swingmaster looks as follows. Profitability chart. In May, it basically didn't bring me anything, but it showed resilience during the last trading drawdown. And as you can see, its profit curve has been steadily rising lately, upwards. So we add up the results of all the trading bots. 11 expert advisors, all of them verified, their trading dynamics, trading results. In my signals, you can find my profile on MQL5. This is Igor. Right now, you can check and see what is happening with each individual trading bot at this very moment, including how they work internally and the specific ways they trade in the market. So I combined all the results of these 11 trading bots together using a special formula with the help of ChatG5. I performed mathematical calculations, and I meticulously developed an official ISO report and carefully calculated a brand new index value, which, after a full week of significant drawdown, clearly demonstrated to our team growth. The growth was small, about 0.5%, but still, it's growth. And considering the difficult previous week, when the market went wild on Friday and many bots started losing what they had earned earlier in the week, starting from Monday, the portfolio still grew. Higher than the previous value, which makes me very happy. Let's get back to the mini index, which I manage using 5 trading bots. Here too, we have a gain, and I'm also very pleased about that. So that's how it works. If you set up these 5 expert advisors on different trading accounts and allocate them roughly the same amount of capital, and as for the minimum capital, the requirements here are very light because they don't use grid strategies, they don't use martingale, and they use a strict stop loss. There are many useful features that will protect your capital and steadily grow it. So will you get roughly this kind of growth curve? You see, I'm tracking it as well. Starting from January, and since January, this portfolio has grown quite well. Let me remind you, my goal is not only maximum profit, but also minimal drawdown in trading. In my opinion, such a portfolio should operate with a maximum drawdown of no more than 5%. Many prop firms require this level of drawdown, and many traders feel very comfortable in this safety zone. Because when the drawdown starts to increase, you start to get anxious, you begin to lose trust in the trading bot. You start to worry that things might spiral out of control. But I have eliminated that possibility and created a portfolio where the maximum drawdown will be no more than 5%. If something goes wrong, I will now explain to you what could possibly go wrong. If one trading bot shows negative performance over a certain period, then of course I draw certain conclusions and start to take action. So, what did I spend my time doing last week? Well, I focused on optimizing my favorite expert advisor, SharkyFix, which unfortunately incurred a loss during the month of May. It also failed to show any good results in April, so it needed adjustments to perform better. Here is its profitability chart. It shows a smooth decline, and for it I created new set files. New settings, which I will publish today on the MQL5 market. And all SharkyFix users will receive the new settings, which will start working more efficiently. In my opinion, optimization of expert advisors should be carried out no less, but also no more than once every 6 months. once every 6 months so that the trading bot's settings correspond to all the latest market changes. So today, in order to improve profitability, considering that the last optimization I did was about 6 months ago, I performed a new optimization, and all the settings will be available to all users who previously purchased this trading bot. That's all for now, guys. I hope that next week will bring me much more profit than the previous one. So I'm not saying goodbye, and I'll see you in a week.